Okay, welcome. So there's this question from jamb 1995, question 25, where we are asked if x is equal to bracket open 1 to 0 theory bracket close and y is equal to bracket open 2 1 4 theory bracket close. Find xy. Quickly we dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we quickly bring to our attention rather, that in operations involving multiplications of matrix by matrix, it is carried out by multiplying rows by column. Therefore, since we've been asked to find xy, we write therefore xy, which is an operation of multiplying x by y, we have it to be equal to bracket open, our value for x is 1, 2, 0, 3, bracket close. Our value for y is bracket open, 2, 1, 4, 3, bracket close. Now, we proceed to multiply x and y. So write equal to bracket open. As we said earlier on, we multiply row by columns. So we have 1 times 2 plus 2 times 4. Next, what we have is 1 times 1 plus 2 times 3. Come down, we have 0 times 2 plus 3 times 4. And lastly, we have 0 times 1 plus 3 times 3, bracket close. All right, proceed further. We write an equal to. Is equal to 1 times 2 gives us 2 plus 2 times 4 gives us 8. Now we have 1 times 1 gives us 1 plus 2 times 3 gives us 6. 0 times 2 we have 0 plus 3 times 4 we have 12. 0 times 1 we have 0 plus 3 times 3 we have 9, bracket close. All these will be equal to bracket open, 2 plus 8 we have 10, 1 plus 6 we have 7, 0 plus 12 we have 12, 0 plus 9 we have 9, bracket close. Therefore means that our answer is bracket open 10, 7, 12, 9, bracket close. Thank you.